In a world where challenges are inevitable, have you ever wondered how your perspective could change if, instead of focusing on the hurt, you chose to care less about it? Join me on a journey of introspection and resilience as we explore the transformative power of caring less when life hurts. What's your initial reaction to this idea, and how do you think it could impact your own experiences? In the midst of life's hurts, find the strength to care less, for sometimes resilience is born in the art of letting go. 1. The Stoic concept of control. As mentioned, the central idea of Stoicism is the division between things within our control and those beyond it. This concept is rooted in the writings of Epictetus, a Greek philosopher who lived in the 1st century AD. Epictetus believed that we should only concern ourselves with what we have complete control over: our thoughts, actions, and attitudes. He argued that focusing on things outside of our control would only lead to unnecessary distress and a distraction from pursuing what truly matters. This concept of control is central to Stoicism and is often referred to as the dichotomy of control. It serves as the foundation for many other Stoic principles, including resilience, acceptance, and virtue. The role of reason. Another key aspect of Stoicism is the belief in the power of reason. The Stoics believed that it was our rationality that set us apart from other creatures and gave us the ability to control our thoughts and actions. According to Epictetus, our thoughts are not inherently good or bad. It is how we choose to interpret and respond to them that matters. By using reason, we can train ourselves to think more logically and rationally, allowing us to better navigate the world around us. Detachment from external things. Stoicism also promotes detachment from external things as a means of achieving inner peace and contentment. This does not mean that Stoics do not value material possessions or relationships, but rather they recognize that these things are outside of their control and therefore not a source of true happiness. By letting go of the desire for external factors to bring us joy, we can focus on cultivating our own inner peace and virtue. This detachment also serves as a buffer against the inevitable ups and downs of life, allowing Stoics to remain unfazed by external circumstances. Focus on virtue. At the core of Stoicism is the pursuit of virtue, or moral excellence. Stoics believe that by cultivating virtues such as wisdom, courage, and justice, we can live a good life and achieve inner peace. Unlike external factors which are outside of our control, virtue is something that we can actively work towards and develop within ourselves. By prioritizing virtue over external rewards or pleasures, Stoics aim to lead a life of purpose and fulfillment. Application in modern life. Although Stoicism originated over 2,000 years ago, its principles are still applicable in modern life. In a world filled with distractions and uncertainty, the Stoic concept of control can help us focus on what truly matters and let go of things outside of our control. The emphasis on reason can also serve as a tool to combat negative thinking and cultivate a more rational mindset. And in an age of consumerism and materialism, the Stoic emphasis on detachment from external things can provide a sense of contentment and fulfillment. Overall, the philosophy of Stoicism offers valuable insights and practices that can help us navigate life with wisdom, resilience, and inner peace. By embracing its principles, we can lead a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. So, it is important to incorporate these Stoic concepts into our daily lives and strive towards the ultimate goal of achieving virtue. As Epictetus said, "No great thing is created suddenly. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it in the end." Stoicism presents a unique perspective on living a good life, one that is focused on the things within our control and the pursuit of virtue. By understanding and incorporating these Stoic principles into our lives, we can cultivate inner peace, resilience, and a sense of purpose. Let us strive to live by Epictetus's wise words. Happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control and some things are not. So, let us focus on what we can control and let go of the rest. As Marcus Aurelius once said, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. 3 reflections on the past, a lesson in Stoicism. In his writings, the Roman philosopher and statesman Seneca highlighted the fleeting nature of existence and the inability to change the past. He argued that dwelling on past events is futile since they are beyond our control. Instead, he encouraged focusing on our reactions to events, emphasizing the importance of handling them with virtue. The philosophy of Stoicism, which Seneca espoused, teaches us to recognize the transience of life and to embrace it with wisdom and courage. It reminds us that everything in this world is subject to change, including our own lives. No matter how much we may try to hold on to the past or resist change, it is inevitable. But rather than seeing this as a negative aspect of life, Stoicism teaches us to embrace the present and live it fully, without regrets. We cannot change what has already happened, but we can choose how we react to it. This is where the power of virtue comes in. The Stoics believed that true happiness and inner peace come from within, regardless of external circumstances. They taught that by embodying virtues such as courage, wisdom, justice, and self-control, we can navigate through life's challenges with grace and strength. So instead of dwelling on past misfortunes or regretting our choices, let us focus on cultivating these virtues in the present. Let us learn from the lessons of the past and use them to shape our character for the better. For, as Seneca said, the past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. Our past experiences may have molded us, but they do not define us. Stoicism teaches us to make peace with our past and embrace the present with wisdom and virtue. It reminds us that life is a journey, and we must learn to flow with its ever-changing currents. So let us take these teachings to heart and live each day with gratitude, courage, and wisdom. For that is the true path to inner peace and contentment. So embrace the past as a teacher, not a burden, and let us live each moment with Stoic principles in mind. The philosophy of Stoicism may be ancient, but its lessons are timeless and can guide us towards a life well lived. So let us take these lessons to heart and embrace the present with all its uncertainties, knowing that we have the power to shape our reactions and character for the better. 4. Embracing the present, the philosophy of Stoicism. Stoicism is a philosophy that originated in ancient Greece, but it remains relevant and applicable to our lives even today. One of the key principles of Stoicism is the concept of living in the present moment. This idea was championed by the famous Roman emperor Marcus Aurelius, who believed that the present moment is the only realm that we have control over. In a world that is constantly changing and unpredictable, the philosophy of Stoicism provides us with a way to navigate through life's ups and downs. The present moment is the only reality that we can truly experience, and by focusing on it and accepting it as it is, we can find peace and contentment in our lives. Stoicism teaches us to embrace the present, no matter what it brings, whether it is adversity or joy. Instead of letting external circumstances dictate our emotions and thoughts, we are encouraged to focus on our own choices, actions, and opinions. This way, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and control that is not affected by external factors. In fact, Stoicism sees adversity as an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. Instead of using it as an excuse for distress, we are taught to view it as a chance to practice virtue and apply Stoic principles to overcome challenges. By embracing the present moment and living in accordance with Stoic philosophy, we can learn to find happiness and fulfillment within ourselves, regardless of our external circumstances. It allows us to take ownership of our lives and make the most out of every moment. So let us learn to embrace the present, for it is truly the only realm within our control. So let us continue to apply Stoic principles in our daily lives and see how it can bring positive changes for ourselves and those around us. Remember, adversity is not a hindrance but an opportunity to practice virtue and become better versions of ourselves. Let Stoicism guide us in embracing the present moment and living our lives to the fullest. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts." So let us choose to focus on the present and cultivate positive thoughts that will lead us towards a fulfilling life.